What's up, guys? If you have a Denago golf cart and you're looking for the VIN or VIN number, vehicle identification number for it, if you're trying to get it insured or registered through your city or whatever your needs are, most of these carts is going to be on the driver's side of the frame, box frame right here. There it is, right down there, and it tells you the production date as well as the exact model name. That's that. We got tons of videos about Denago golf carts as well as Club Car and Star and Easy Go and Yamaha. So check out the playlist link you'll see at the end of this video, and look for Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, about a half hour north of Atlanta off of Highway 92, about 2 miles from I-575. Heading towards Roswell. You'll have a good day.